Tahoma 31. No one residentially in South Australia currently that we're aware of has this. Lawn hub. We're going places. Hey guys, Adam here from Lawn Hub and welcome back. Today we have got some Tahoma 31 hybrid Bermuda grass, which currently no one residentially has in South Australia. So I was fortunate enough that with the right contacts through Lawn Hub and Clint, that there's some trialling of this going on currently in South Australia, and we've been fortunate enough to get a pallet load's worth. So we're gonna chuck it in to my old man's place and use it as a green. So stay tuned, because yeah, you're gonna wanna see this. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna fit. Back. How much room we got on that side? Damn. Well, that's shit.
Hand loader here and hand loader back there.
I ain't going anywhere. I'm not fucking going off-road or anything, I'll be wrong. I'm not going to Gawler. Alright. Thanks, Reedy.
You know what your issue is? You bought a Colorado. You bought a D-Max.
Yeah.
You would have fit a pallet in the tray.
If I bought a D-Max, I'd still be waiting 6 months.
Look, it's only been 5. They do D-Maxes for Matt.
Alrighty guys, so we've made our way from Dry Creek out to my old man's place now. Originally it was supposed to be Tiff Tough, so today's Thursday. I was going to the landscape place after work and then gonna prep the soil. However, the Tahoma 31 has sort of made a bit of a change to those plans, but that's okay, we'll adapt. So I've just been from the landscape place. I've got about 3/4 of a ton of sandy loam just to spread over here for now. Something that was mentioned before I left was, am I gonna get kaiku pop up? Potentially. I'll deal with that when it happens. And then the Tahoma is cut quite thick. It's come out of a riverside sort of area, so it's actually quite clayey. So we will be coring this next season, probably a couple times, just to remove that clay and just, yeah, put some nice sand back in there. Yeah, so get keen. Get keen, fuck bitches and get money. Before we start loading in and spreading out, yeah, it's just I don't know, I guess it's just a 70/30, just down from the local yard. Unfortunately, Railways is on the other side of the planet to me, so to ship sort of that sort of material here just wouldn't be worth it, so. Now the camera will make that look like it happened in 1 minute. Use this rake from the 50s. It's a bit flimsy. Watch me snap it. All right guys, now, I know it's not even and flat, but it's a putting green. So there's gonna be natural slopes in there. I've created some, so I spent some time on it. So now we're gonna get down some Lawn Hub Got Laid and some Lawn Hub BBW. So Got Laid is our starter fertilizer, specially formulated for this type of situation, and BBW is our granular wetting agent, which I talk about in this week's episode of the Weekly Cut. If you haven't subscribed to the Weekly Cut, I don't know how to do it. You got to go it on the website. It'll pop up, you'll get it. So 200 squares that both these buckets cover. There's about 50 here, so I'm tired, I'm sweaty. I can't do the maths, but I'll work it out. So yeah, look, we'll get this down before the turf goes down. Then we'll probably just run about a minute of irrigation cycle just to keep the dust down and keep the soil nice and moist, ready for the roots as, yeah, they get laid. Get it? Got laid, get laid. Common question we get asked as well is, can I use Got Laid on, say, an established kikuyu lawn? Yes, you can, as long as you water it in, which it will. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna lay the Tahoma 31 now. It was cut a couple of days ago, so the guys have said that it'll be fine. Just give it plenty of water, which we will. I've never actually officially laid turf. I've seeded, but I've never actually laid turf, so I'm probably going to get it wrong, but I like the challenges, so we'll see how we go. Whew. Well, yeah, it's a bit lumpy. Kind of expected that. It was grown on a river, I think in a floodplain or a flat or whatever. So it's been rolled up. I think it was cut on Monday. So look, I'm not too worried about the unevenness for now. I will water it, and then tomorrow I'll come back with my lawn roller, and then I'll roll over it after it's had a couple of waters, you know, so it's a bit more, fuck, I'm fucked. I'll come back tomorrow with the lawn roller after it's had a few waterings, and then I'll really iron out those lumps. Look, there may still be some there, but next season we'll top dress them out with just straight wash sand. yeah, really get this into a putting surface. I'll apply roots and shoots tomorrow. It's changed colour dramatically since I've started laying it, so I'll get some water into it. Be watering this about between 2 to 4 times a day for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'll do like a little test tonight with my phone just to see how much time and if we see any pooling or anything like that, so we don't want to waste some water. Yeah, let's flick them on, see if my cuts were good. Alright guys, as I mentioned before, I'll come here tomorrow with the roller and yeah, apply some roots and shoots. So yeah, looking forward to it.